partnering up with Merit Beauty to show you guys their aesthetic of less is more and a minimalist approach to beauty. So I'm starting off with the Minimalist in Ochre. This is their Everyday Stick Concealer Foundation. It has a thicker consistency similar to the Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage, and I noticed it works better after sunscreen and moisturizer without primer and blending with your fingers. It's great for a gal on the go, so easy to throw into your bag for touch-ups, and again, blends best with your fingers. This is the brush number 1, so after I blend with my fingers, I like to go in with the brush and just make sure I've got all the edges evenly brushed out. Then I'm going in with the Brow 1980. The brown was a little bit more warm toned than I would have liked, but I do like the applicator. I found that it didn't pull too much product onto the applicator itself, which made the process really easy to comb through my brows. And I can clean anything up with that brush number 1, very handy. Then I'm going in with some bronzer because it's the dead of winter and I need a little bit of glow back into my face. So I put that all over. Then I'm taking the Flesh Balm in Terracotta, which is my favorite product out of the launch. This is just such a beautiful shade, as well as it blends like a dream, goes great on your cheeks, eyes, and lips. And it's a really creamy consistency, and as you guys can see here with a brush, it just blends in so flawlessly, no weird edges or creases. Then I'm taking the Day Glow in Kava, and this is a really nice highlighter that gives you such a natural sheen, also blends in very easily. The consistency is definitely more balmy, but look at that glow. Then I'm using the Clean Lash in Perfect Black. This is actually a really good lengthening mascara and layers really well, so I was very impressed with the mascara. And last, I'm taking the Shade Stick in Au Naturel. This is such a beautiful lip balm gloss shade, and while it isn't very long wearing, it's very hydrating, it's very comfortable to wear, and again, great for on the go, easy to throw into your bag and touch up. So here's the final face, beautiful, dewy, easy, that took less than 5 minutes to put together. But for me personally, I like to use a little bit of face powder over it just because my combination skin has always given me problems midday. So I'm going in with an e.l.f. face powder to just blot everything down. But of course, this is your preference. And we're done. Be sure to subscribe down below and like this video, and thanks for watching.